It is that time again. Time for me to touch up my gray. It's been a while. I wanted to just wash it, but I'm in the mood. You know, I have to wait until I actually feel up to it to do this. And surprisingly, right now, in the middle of the day on a Saturday, I feel up to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. So just follow me on my journey of touching up my gray. Even though I have countless videos of me coloring my hair. I was going to mount, well, I mounted my TV the other day on the wall, and I was going to hide the wires today, but I just think I'll wait. I'm just going to go ahead and do this, get it over with. Shedding a lot of hair here. Hair is dry, it needs deep conditioning. As you can see, I'm sectioning it off. Then I'm gonna have to cover up stuff because all my cabinets are white. If this is your first time here, all my cabinets are white. And I'm trying to figure exactly where I want to do this and not make a big mess. I'm close to my bed. The bedding is white. My desk is white. The rug there is beige. And the bathroom cabinets, I don't want to hit the wall because my past place, I just made a mess. So I'm going to try my best to be extremely careful on how I apply this color to my hair and not make a mess. So I'm just going to risk it. I'm going to cover my bed, part of my bed where, oh boy, I don't know, some plastic. Cover this dressing table and this chair. Actually, I need some drop cloths if I'm getting ready to do a paint job, for real. Then I need to give myself a facial because my skin looks horrible. I am definitely a hot ass mess. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go mix up my hair color, prep up everything, and I'll be back to apply the color. Protein treatment or what, but shedding something awful. It's just from that one piece. Well, other pieces too that was in the comb. Edges are thin, of course. I don't know how long I'm supposed to leave this stuff in my hair. Edge color completely. Make sure it's thoroughly through here. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Still need to get in the shower, but I don't know if I want to. I usually shower before I get into bed. I have to shower before I get into bed at night, so I'm not ready to get into bed. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this out, process it, and get in the shower later when I'm ready to go to bed. Been a while since I've worn one of these. I'm gonna see what it looks like in let's see, today's Saturday, Sunday. By Monday, it should be nice and fluffy the way I like it. If I shingle it, and well, I don't know if I want to stretch it. Or maybe I should. These things is a piece of garbage. This is the third set they have sent me that just breaks. Cheap. Curlypdub, that is. Right now, it's just the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner that I'm adding to my hair. And then try to comb the tangles out. Because I'm back in the upright position. Because I rinsed it out in the sink, the kitchen sink, actually. Little thin edges. My thin edges, if this is your first time, came from me plucking them out when I was in the hospital on morphine. Yeah. I was doing it and I knew I was doing it, felt good. And at the time, I didn't think of the consequences. I mean, I was just laying there in the bed, and it's like a tick, and I couldn't control it. And this is the end results of what that did to me. I think that was when I was facing my first back surgery in Santa Monica Hospital, Santa Monica, California. And yeah, I would just lay there and pluck like I was plucking feathers from a chicken. Oh, how I regret that now. Oh dear. Okay. Now that I've added the Cantu, I need to add some oil. I have coconut oil over here, but I'd have to melt it down. Let's see. It's a little liquid in there. I'll try to run what I can through my scalp. Now what I'm going to do is, I don't know if I want to start from the back and work my way to the front. Do I? Because I'm fixing to shingle this baby. Now what I'm going to use this in conjunction with the, I don't know if I have any, the gel that goes with this. Well, what the hell, I'm gonna do it without, because I don't like gel and all that stuff on my hair. The pudding or whatever you call it. Time coming out here. Go. Messing with me. Normally, I would be putting a pressing comb to my hair, but now that I have all this product in there, I can't go back now. Like I said, probably Monday, because it's so hot down here, I'll probably be putting in a twist out or rinsing it out and flat ironing it, which doesn't make any sense. Just pressing it or flat iron it, unless I get braids, will prevent me from having to wash it all the time, you know, because the wash and go, you have to, depends on how long it lasts. I've actually gone a week with it, and then I don't really want to put any gel in my hair. I don't like gel, because to me it just makes my hair dry and hard. Got the back done. Start back here. really don't want to catch no summer cold doing this. I turned the air conditioner off because I don't need it blowing. I'm trying to get my life together here. Because my hair is a 3C4A, and it gets kinky up in here at times, and then it's lighter down here at the bottom. So I'm trying to make sure I get product up there. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, I can't get the diffuser to it fast enough. I swear I feel like I want to catch a cold. I just decided to squirt some out on the table because this thing, I don't use this stuff too often, so it's kind of clogged up. I'll have to fix that, but right now I don't have time for that. I'm trying to work fast here. Get this hair dry, or the scalp dry at least, quickly. At least I didn't ruin my curl pattern yet. That's enough. I'm not going to try to stretch it anymore. I'm sweating because it's hot. It's still damp. I'm just going to band it or, pineapple it, and it'll stretch in 2 days. All right.